What's the meaning of chai? Chai. Chai.
Chai. Chai. Chai is a word of Indian origin that refers to a type of spiced tea. The name chai actually means tea in Hindi and many other languages in the Indian subcontinent. It typically consists of black tea, milk, sugar, and a blend of aromatic spices such as cinnamon, cardamom, and ginger. Chai is known for its rich, warming flavor and is often enjoyed with breakfast or as an afternoon pick-me-up. In recent years, chai has become popular outside of India and can be found in many coffee shops and tea houses around the world.